Hey everyone, my name is CJ Harris, and this is my Bio 320 plant-derived compound assignment. So the plant-derived compound that I decided to do my project on is called lutein. It can be found in green leafy vegetables such as spinach and kale, and it can also be found in kiwi fruit, broccoli, carrots, corn, apples, among many other fruits and vegetables, and it can also be found in egg yolk. Lutein is a carotenoid structure that is similar to previtamin A, B-carotene, and is involved in promoting eye health. It can also help prevent eye disorders in humans, such as cataracts, which can eventually lead to blindness, especially in older people. And it is very healthy, is considered an antioxidant, and is very, very healthy for your eyes. So for a little bit of the history of lutein, Johann Ludwig Wilhelm Thudichum was the first to discover and name lutein around the mid-19th century. He conducted a research on yellow organic substances contained in animals and plants, in which he later discovered as lutein, and he would go on to name lutein. He found that later that it was found in spinach in very high concentrations, and he would discover its health benefits shortly thereafter. So as I said before, spinach contains really high amounts of lutein. In fact, it has just over 12,000 micrograms of lutein per 100 grams of spinach. Spinach originated in Central and Southwestern Asia. It tends to prefer a more temperate climate to grow successfully. Usually does not grow very well in hot climates or cold climates. It needs to be kind of more right in the middle, kind of more temperate climate in order to be able to grow. China actually produces over 90% of the world's spinach at just about 21 million metric tons. The U.S. is second in world spinach production at 1.4% and about 330,000 metric tons. Spinach is a very rich source of several vital antioxidant vitamins such as vitamin A and vitamin C, and it is very rich in iron and other antioxidants as well. So the kiwi fruit, which is actually one of my favorite fruits to eat, contains a lot less lutein compared to spinach. It has about 122 micrograms of lutein per 100 grams of kiwi. It originated in northeastern China, although while it was in China, it was not known as kiwi fruit. It is more commonly known as the Chinese gooseberry. It tends to thrive in temperate climates, a lot like spinach. Does not do very well in hot or cold climates. It needs to be more moderate, temperate, climates. And it didn't pick up its name, the kiwi fruit, until the people in New Zealand became very interested in the Chinese gooseberry and actually named it after one of their birds there in New Zealand called the kiwi bird. It is considered an angiosperm since it does contain its seed within the fruit, and the seed is protected by its skin or the shell of the kiwi. It is loaded with antioxidants. It is a very healthy fruit. Antioxidants, help fight against free radicals in the body. It has tons of antioxidants and minerals and vitamins within the fruit, so it's a very healthy fruit. It also contains other plant compounds, which I thought was interesting, such as quercetin, which helps to treat cancer in cancer patients, and also actinidin, which is an enzyme that aids in protein digestion. So lutein is considered a macular carotenoid that helps protect against macular degeneration. These carotenoids, which can turn into a form of vitamin A, are thought to shield the retina from the damage caused by too much exposure to blue light, particularly the light emitted by the sun. In the past few years, researchers have actually found evidence that taking dietary supplements of lutein could actually help to reduce glare and improve many other aspects of visual performance, such as sharper colors, enhanced contrast, faster recovery time from exposure to bright light, quicker visual processing speeds, and even the ability to see farther. More than 600 carotenoids exist in nature, and they produce the many colors we see in fruits and vegetables, such as the bright greens, yellows, and oranges that you see in bananas, carrots, and apples and bell peppers. We cannot create them ourselves, so we have to metabolize them into our diet. Carotenoid supplements have long been successfully used to treat a form of vision loss known as age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. It damages the macular region at the back of the retina and is currently the leading cause of blindness in the underdeveloped world. Yet in the past few years, researchers have stepped up their investigations into whether these supplements might be able to improve vision in people who already have good vision. A 2013 study of 150 healthy people showed that higher levels of macular pigment in the eye lessened the effects of glare and led to quicker recovery time after exposure to bright light. Another study involving 120 healthy drivers showed that supplementation with macular carotenoids such as lutein improved contrast and glare sensitivity. There's also some evidence linking carotenoids with other processes in the body, such as motor skills, hearing, immune responses, and cognition. Scientists recently discovered that lutein exhibits health-promoting anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits that help to lower plaque-forming oxidized LDL cholesterol, which is the bad type of cholesterol, which in return promotes arterial hardening and heart disease. So lutein is not only healthy for your eyes, but also can help to lower the bad cholesterol, LDL, which can eventually lead to heart disease or heart problems. So a recent study was conducted in 2013 that found that Alzheimer's patients are highly deficient in their levels of macular pigment, in addition to having worse vision. The study found that macular carotenoid supplements lead to improvements in the brain's visual processing speed in young people, while other recent research has shown that lutein supplementation leads to improved cognitive skills in older people. So lutein is not only very healthy for your eyes and can lower bad cholesterol, but is also very healthy for your brain as well and can actually improve the cognitive skills of older people that suffer from Alzheimer's. So lutein has a lot of very healthy benefits. It can actually be quite simple to take it. All you gotta do is look for lutein supplementation, or just load up on fruits and vegetables, especially ones that's high in lutein, such as spinach and kale, broccoli, carrots, kiwi fruit, corn, things like that. So it has a lot of benefits associated with it, especially, like I said, improving your eyesight and helping protect you from cataracts or blindness in the future as you get older. And it can also help protect your brain from diseases such as Alzheimer's. So it has a lot of benefits associated with it. So with that is my project, plant-derived compound that I decided to do. Well, thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.